Wind technicians who climb ladders upwards of 80 meters on a daily basis put extraordinary strain on their muscles and joints. We designed the 3S Lift Climb Auto system to change this. The single technician ladder-mounted lift eliminates the need for climbing completely. With the Climb Auto system, technicians can easily ascend an 80-meter tower in just 5 minutes. The Climb Auto system offers superior safety and reduces climbing-related injuries. This creates higher employee efficiency, motivation, and retention, saving on turnover costs. Mounted to the existing ladder in the tower, the system can be retrofitted easily to almost any existing wind turbine in 8 hours or less. It is certified in accordance with global standards and has been installed more than 140,000 units worldwide. Helping wind farms around the globe elevate health and safety and maximize returns.